Work out your own salvation with fear.
Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to do kind of another test run / mock spread in the parenting layout for the Happy Planner. This is not the actual Happy Planner. This is one, the only parenting layout that I could find in printable form on Etsy. I found it at 𝗨𝗨, 𝗟𝗜𝗡𝗞 Designs on Etsy. So I'm just going to do a black and white spread. Somebody had emailed me the other day and asked me for some black functional boxes, so I created some, and these are some oldies but some goodies. These are called Simplicity, and the new modern charm sticker book kind of inspired me just to do black and white. So we're going to use my Faith Quotes 1. These are the OG Faith Quotes, not the 2025 ones. So let's see what we can do with just a black and white spread. Alright, so I did use the spread, or this layout. I just copied everything daily as I wrote in my dashboard layout. I just kind of wrote in this layout just to kind of test it. And I think I'm going to do the same thing this week as well. Down here, I've been tracking my shop revenue, which I do like to track. It's just kind of fun to see. So we're going to put a little, like a box there. So let's just go ahead and do that. We'll use one of these quarter boxes and just put here. And then I'll just write in shop revenue there. So let's start with just my corners. Like, we're going to go old school here. We're going to go old school and just decorate corners for now. Actually, I think I'm going to decorate, oh, you know what would be pretty? Let's decorate the spine. Let's do that. I haven't done that in a long time. So let's just decorate the spine and see how it turns out. So we'll decorate the spine, and then we'll put some boxes down, and then we will kind of just fill in with some. This is the small sticker sheet, so we'll fill in with the mini sticker sheet to kind of decorate around my boxes. That'll make sure that I have plenty of room to still write. Love it so far. The only fun thing about decorating the spine is that you have to punch. You have to repunch, but it's okay. It'll be okay. All right, I need one more. That's gonna look kind of funky. What are we gonna do here? I'm going to cut, let's see. I don't know. I'm stuck. I guess I'm going to use another one of my small sheets. I could have spread these out better. I could have thought this through a little bit better, but I didn't. Look how cute that is. Oh my gosh. Okay. I love it. So now we're going to have to cut down the center, and I'll probably do it wrong because I can't cut straight, but let's go for it. Okay, it's okay. It'll do in a pinch. All right, so now we're going to have to attempt, I hope, say a prayer real quick, that this punch can handle what I'm about to ask it to do. Yeah, I knew that would happen. Alright. So, this punch has been with me for many years. So what happens is when you use these Happy Planner punches for stickers is it gets all gunked up. So we just have to remove the sticker pieces so that it'll let go of my paper, because it's not going to let go. And I'm not going to rip my page out of there. And I couldn't use my crocodile punch because the crocodile punch, you have to have a hole to start with. And I didn't have any open holes, so that was not an option. Let go. Alright, and if that still happens, you can see, like, I've had to tape this thing up. It's so worn out. So if that still happens, you're going to have some punches that have to be pushed down. Those were the only two, because they get goobery and sticky. And then now we can pull it out. And I think I'm going to do a little something different. I'm going to try to use my crocodile punch for the rest of these, because that was a disaster. And it still didn't cut through. I probably need a new punch, but I probably had that punch. I started with Happy Planner in 2019, so oops, we're going on like 7 years. So it's probably time for a new one, but not today. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to line these pages up, and I'm going to cheat, and I'm going to use that. All right, we survived. We survived it. Okay, now continue on. Moving on, moving on. I think what I'm going to do is take a couple of boxes, put down here, and I think we're going to put them over to this side so that we can decorate on the opposite side of them. Oh, that's crooked. Struggle bus, y'all riding with me? Where are we going? Take this one and put down here a little bit further over, but not too much, because I want to be able to decorate the side of it with some of these mini florals. So let's try a corner floral, which should fit perfectly right there. And then this little mini floral, which should fit right here. I love it. Okay, perfect. So now, what else is there to do? I kind of want to take maybe like this sticker and do something to just kind of put a couple floral elements over on that side. So let's take and cut it a long way. And so we can just make some flowers like peeking out. Let's grab my tweezers. My fingers are too big. Just kind of peeking out here and there, just so we have a little bit of that floral element on this side. And then we're going to take this little one and do the same kind of cut. It's time to clean my scissors again. And we're going to just take and do some, let's just kind of stagger a little bit. And then maybe we'll do some here. That's cute. Okay, I don't like the way it's lined up, but it'll do. It'll do. All right, so now let's lay just a couple of boxes. Probably gonna have to use 2 of my mini sheets, so just keep that in mind if you want to do this, or you can definitely do yours a lot more sparingly than I did. My boxes fit perfectly inside of the parenting layout. These are my new boxes and they fit perfectly inside if you turn them the long way. So just keep that in mind, turn them the long way. I think we're going to take one more and put over here, but we're going to kind of lay it inside of the flowers that are already there. And then we're going to kind of decorate. Oh, I don't need another small or mini sheet, because I actually used 2 of the mini sheets, or 2 of the small sheets. So now what we're going to do is cut again, and we're going to have these florals poking out or peeking out of the boxes. See how cute that is? It's just adorable. Love it. All right, and let's take the same one that we used of the mini and cut a long way. Actually, I'm gonna cut this way. And we're gonna go on the bottom of this one and the side. See how cute that is? It's just adorable. And then my mini sheet, I kind of want a little something peeking out here. Just a little something. So let's cut this like this way and just do that and this. See how cute that is, y'all? Look, and it's just black and white. It's just plain black and white. All right, I think I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little peeking out down here. So let's go this way. Right there. I just got a little smidge over the edge. And then maybe we'll do a little peeky over here. So that this side of the spread is not naked. See how cute that is? I think I'm gonna do a little bit more of the little sneaky peekies. Because I've got like so many on this side, I need to make some on the other side. So that was totally crooked. My finger got in the way. So let's just go here. And anywhere else? Maybe down here? No. Because then I can't write my dinner plans for Monday. But I can use this piece here. Oops. Alright. It's so cute. So let's put a couple quotes in. I think I'm going to use But First Pray. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. Yeah, I was worried you couldn't see it with the box there. It's crooked as all get out, but it's going to have to do. And then I was thinking about Be Still. Psalm 46:10. I love Psalm 46:10. So cute. I'm wondering if I can straighten this up without ripping everything to pieces. No, it's just gonna have to be crooked. Look how pretty this is, y'all, and it's just so simple, black and white, just simple. All right, let's put it back in my planner because I think I'm done with this spread. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know if I already said it. This is the 3rd video I filmed. I extended my 30% off coupon. The code is FALL, F-A-L-L, in all capital letters and the number 30. You can use that code at checkout through September 30th to save 30% off your entire order. So everything I used in the spread today, you can get at my shop 30% off. So that is it for this video. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.